In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, repair, and reinstall your E30 Fender door and quarter panel moldings on a 2-door as well as on a 4-door. Before we get started, you're going to want to make sure you have some safety glasses and gloves throughout this whole process. It's a good thing to have. First, I'm going to show you how to replace your fender molding. This is the exact same process on the coupe as it is on the sedan. I use these plastic interior pry tools to save your paint. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide it behind it here and then just gently pry, and then I like to get as close to the front clip as possible. So there you go. There's just 2 body grommets there and then 2 clips that press in. And to reinstall, just line it up, pop them in. Now I'm going to show you how to remove your front door molding. This is the exact same process on the sedan as it is on this coupe. You're going to want a 9mm socket, and we're just going to first remove this nut right here. And then once that's removed, we have 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 clip at the end. So basically we're going to pop these 3 clips out, and then we're going to slide it that way off. So don't try to pry this one. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Then we're just going to wiggle it back and off. There you go. And then, so when we want to reinstall this, we're going to have all the clips in place in the body. There's a little pin in the center that if you have to replace them, you push that in and it locks it in place. So these 3 are all in place, and then this end clip is angled back toward the other side. So then to reinstall, I like to hold my hand over the back stud so we don't scratch the paint. You just slide the front onto that front clip, and then make sure this back stud goes in the hole, and then 1, 2, 3, and then we just put that nut back on. So now I'll show you how to remove your quarter molding. If you have an early model E30, so 1987 and before, you will have a stud with a nut back behind this fender well here that you have to remove. There's just that end clip, and then a middle clip, and then another clip here. So basically we're gonna pop this one, and then we're gonna slide it off this clip that way. So that'll look like this. So we got those 2 off, and then we'll slide that one off. And then to reinstall, same deal. Just slide on that front clip, and then pop those in. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how to remove your sedan rear door molding. This one has a nut on the inside, same 9mm nut. Usually there's a rubber grommet here. I already have mine removed, but the nut is right there. Just go ahead and remove that. So once you have the nut removed behind that side, there's going to be 1 clip there, and then the end clip, which we're going to slide off of it that way. So basically just pop this middle clip like so. There you go. And then gently slide it back. And then to reinstall, slide it onto that clip. And then we'll put our stud back in on the inside, and we're good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to repair the moldings if you have some damaged ones after you remove them. We design, manufacture, and sell these repair clips. I'm going to link them down in the description below. It's just in the order 1, 2, 3. So this first one and second one are used on the small front fender molding, as well as the late model coupe rear quarter molding. And then this one here with the stud is used on any of the moldings that go on a door. And as you can see, this one here is broken, and we'll show you how to fix that. So the process for replacing this clip as well as this stud is pretty much the exact same thing. So I'm just going to show you on the broken one that I have, and I'll set these off to the side for now. So now we need to get this whole plastic piece out of the molding. On the longer front door moldings, it's a bigger plastic piece. Just as a side note, if you look at this is the sedan rear molding, the only one that's like this. This is basically exactly the same size as this, but this one's much wider, but this will still go in and fit in that same spot to mount up the molding. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our vice grips, and then we're just gonna try to basically rock this clip out of place. Basically, I'm just trying to clear up the space that new clip will fit in. Sometimes if it's not cracked, you'll be able to pull out this whole plastic piece. It'll just come out in one go. This one didn't, but it's kind of a trial and error thing. So basically the goal here is we want to remove any material that's basically on this side of where that little line ends there, because this clip is installed basically right in line with that. And so ours is pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and install the clip now. As you can see, the left side here is wider than the right side, so the wider side is going to go towards the top of the fender molding. So you can see that extra groove indicates that's the top. The bottom does not have that. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to set it in like that, and then we're going to take our pliers and then twist it until it locks into place, and then we're simply going to push it to the end, and there you go. That is ready to be installed.